At 6.25 inches by 4.25 inches, this 100-piece pack of A4 envelopes was the perfect thing for me to buy when I was at Walgreens and decided to make Christmas cards with my family on them and wanted to send them out to all of my family members. So I'm about to stick these right into my printer and print off all of the different addresses so that I can get these Christmas cards right over to my family. I don't even have to lick and stick with the Eupako A4 envelopes. All I have to do is tear off this nice little sticker and stick it right up. You know what? I'm going to use this one right now. There we go. Now I can just throw a stamp on it, throw it in the mailbox, and it'll head off to my family members. The color is white here, made of 120 GSM white paper. This is really the ticket if you're going to put pictures or invitations into the mail. This thing will hold up like a sturdy old stallion. It's quite thick, peel and seal, printer friendly like I said. That's right, pick up some of these today. It's a good choice if you feel like mailing things to your family members.